Hello everyone, I'm Lori Ricciardoni and this is my test kitchen. Welcome. The holidays are coming up, and what's kind of ubiquitous with the holidays, in my world anyway, is pumpkin pie. So we will do a variation on a classic pumpkin pie recipe today. We will make a mousse. So we're going to take the crust out and we will add some beautiful salted pecans with some Medjool dates, little pinch of salt, make a crumble, layer it in a glass so it'll be really, this dessert is really elegant. It's really beautiful. It has the color, has the crunch, it has all the elements that you would want in a pumpkin pie. We will layer it with some of the dates, then some of the pumpkin, a little bit more of the dates, tofu whip, and we're going to top it actually with some little pomegranates, just a little hint of color, a little red in there, so it really makes for a beautiful dessert. We will go over all the ingredients, we'll post them on our screen, and then I will show you how to make the recipe. So let's get started. Have some fun in the kitchen. I always like to go over the health benefits, just a couple of them. Full list of benefits will be on my website, loriricciardoni.com. But pumpkins, if you don't know this, are really high in antioxidants and they give a little boost to the immune system. I just thought that's an important little health tip. All right, let's make our recipe. So first we're going to start with our tofu whip. We're going to take our tofu, some maple syrup, a little bit of oil in there. I'm using a neutral oil. Canola you could use, I'm using grapeseed today. Always a little pinch of salt, some cinnamon, a little shave of nutmeg, some lemon zest, lemon juice, and we're putting it in a food processor and we're just going to whip it up. Remember to take some of the moisture out of the tofu because you don't want that getting watery, so that's a little important piece. And this is going to sit in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, that's why I like to do this ahead. Then we will take our toasted pecans, we're going to toast them in a pan, a little bit of coconut oil, sprinkle a little salt, toast them for 4 minutes, don't walk away from that. And then once those are done, take about 3 or 4 Medjool dates, depending how much sweetness you want to the saltiness. I have a little Cuisinart, we're going to chop them in there, so just pulse it a little bit. You don't want it too soft. And then at the end, we will take some pecans and lay them on top, just a little extra crunch in there. Now for our pumpkin mousse, for the filling, the best part. We're going to take our pumpkin, we're going to scoop it out, put that in the food processor. You could do it in a blender as well, but you just want to make sure that there's enough liquid. We're adding a little coconut milk to this, maple syrup, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves. I like to put a little pinch of salt, a little lemon juice, maple syrup. And just really whip it until it's creamy. And that's it. So you have your 3 components. And then we're ready to plate it. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope that you will give this recipe a try. If you like what we're doing on YouTube, please subscribe. There's a little bell icon there that if you click that, you'll be notified when we have a new upload. On my website, we have a newsletter that we put out monthly with a lot of delicious recipes and health tips. So you can do that as well on laurienricciardoni.com. So until next time, enjoy the holidays. Happy holidays to you all, and bon appetito.